is in trouble. Every day, tons of plastic waste is polluting our oceans, but we can make a difference. I love animals and nature. It makes me sad to see them suffering because of plastic. We need to protect them.
Plastic pollution is a global crisis, and we can no longer turn a blind eye. It's time for us to come together and take action.
We have the power to innovate and create solutions. We can develop sustainable alternatives to single-use plastics and embrace recycling. It's not just about saving the environment. It's about building a better world for ourselves and for the future generations.
We can do this. We can change.
Our actions matter.
Join us on a journey to save our environment from plastic pollution. Join the fight with Corsair.
With Corsair, let's illuminate a path towards a cleaner, greener world. What have we accomplished in the past 3 years? We have transformed an inoperative factory into a functional one, not only reviving the 3 existing machines, but also acquiring 2 additional ones. That's dedication. We have taken control of a nearly bankrupt network marketing business, expanding it and transforming it into a profitable enterprise. That's resilience. We have successfully developed and implemented the CSR plastic credit, gaining entry into 4 public exchanges. Today, we proudly hold the position of the leading plastic credit worldwide. That's foresight. We have formed collaborations with over 100 partners, including some of the largest hotel groups globally. That's stability. We have been on the front lines, passionately fighting to rid the oceans, lands, and cities of the devastating presence of plastic waste. That's compassion. We have expanded our presence in Europe by establishing the first Corsair European facility in Finland. The Kaipola facility will become operational during summer 2023 and is targeting to recycle 12 million kilos of plastic waste per year. That's perseverance. We haven't undertaken all these endeavors solely for business reasons. Rather, we have done so out of genuine concern. We firmly believe in our ability to contribute to the fight against plastic pollution and create a cleaner future. We will continue to forge ahead, to move forward with determination, to work diligently, and keep growing. We will undertake these efforts not just for ourselves, but also for you.
So, what will you do?
Join us in the battle with Corsair.